Good afternoon and welcome to Creating with Karen, and we're going to get started on our next project, which is a fun cuff bracelet that I am making from the inside round, cardboard round of a roll of tape. I have my Aleene's tacky glue, a brush, and a dish for applying. I have cut, this is a seam of denim jeans, the outside seam of a pair of jeans, and I found this happy material, stripe material at Walmart, and I just fell in love with it. Somehow it just reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of a fun, good time, and I thought it would make a very nice bracelet to wear with your jeans, a denim jacket, with your jeans outfit, something fun. Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit of my tacky glue. I'm using the material the long way. Had I decided to put it the short way, I would have to cut it in strips because of the wrapping, and I wouldn't want these stripes to be on an angle, not for this project. So I decided this way was better. Now I cut it long enough. This is about almost 2 inches, and I cut this wide enough so that I could wrap it inside. That way I wouldn't have to worry about covering up the inside, taking a piece and covering the inside. So I made this wide enough for one piece to overlap the other so that the inside of the bracelet would have a nice, neat look. So I'm going to apply a nice amount of my tacky glue on the inside of the base, the cardboard round. And I am going to go around applying it, nice amount, all in the inside. And then I'm only going to apply just a little bit around the outside because I don't want it to be bulky or lumpy. Just enough to kind of hold it in place. So we're not going to worry about this frayed end here, because it's going to be covered. So simple, just roll it. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do is, it's overlapping and that's fine. I'm going to apply glue here. That's going to hold it. Go a little bit tighter. And wipe off some of the excess. Wiping off the excess. And what I'm going to do is fold it in. Just fold it in. This is fun. Fold it in. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my Aleene's, pour a little bit more. You can see what we have going on here. Get off some of the excess glue. I'll get a damp cloth and get that off. Pour a little more glue. And I'm going to go in the inside of this, apply the glue. You can see. And where this is overlapping, I'm going to apply some in here so that this will hold to that. The outer piece will hold to the inside piece. So I got good coverage. And this bracelet will fit from a small to a medium hand over a small to medium hand and wrist. Alright. A little bit more here. And here's the fun part. We're just going to tuck. And just kind of smooth it out in the inside. You'll have little folds, but that's fine. All right. Now, see where I have a loose edge here? I'm just going to take a little bit of glue. Let that hold. Right here, this edge as well. Let that hold. That's my phone. It never fails. I can sit here all day and not do anything. And as soon as I start working on a video, the phone goes off. I'm sure I'm not the only one with that problem. Here we go. Now, we have that part taken care of. Now what I'm going to do, start over with the seam. I am going to apply little hoops. So let me get the first cut and I'll cut the rest by this one. And I'm just going to lay it up against this one. Cut. I'm thinking 4 pieces. So I'm going to cut 4 pieces. Make a nice embellishment. And we have one more. And this is just from a seam from a pair of jeans. Okay. I'm going to apply a nice amount of glue and on the inside. Clean off my hands. Yep. Came with a bit more glue. I find when I'm using, denim fabric, it takes a little bit more glue to make it whole, catch hold. But I love it. So you see that look, you see what we're going for, huh? Pop this again. This is where the clothespins come in handy. Here we go. And then we apply the next piece. I'm going to go right to the opposite side of this one. That way I'll have them even, spaced evenly. So I'm going right to the opposite side of the first one. Okay, it's a great way to make sure that they're even instead of just going around. And then you wind up a little bit off. Like I said, when using denim, it takes an extra amount of glue for the denim to hold. But it's okay. I love denim. And also because it's so heavy. But it will take hold. Alright, and I just go center to these two pieces. Some more glue. I certainly hope that you're enjoying these videos and that you subscribe and go to my Etsy store and check out some of the items. I have finished putting on the denim trim, and this was just the inside seam from a pair of jeans. And like I said, the material I got from Walmart, and I thought it was a happy print. But this is a great piece to wear with your denim outfits. Jacket, shirt, jeans, cap. So there we have it. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos and giveaways. It is my intention to give away a great gift when I reach 50 subscribers, 75, and 100, and so on. Once again, all of these projects are available in my Etsy store, the Nina Rae Collection. The link is in the description box. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate all of